By bringing fully electric jet skis to market, we're going to be reducing the amount of pollutants that's pumped directly into waterways.
We are designing indoor vertical farming systems that are fully automated. We're using SOLIDWORKS to design the entirety of our systems to make high quality, low cost produce affordable to everyone.
My startup is positively impacting the lives of surgeons and patients by creating innovative surgical tools to improve outcomes.
We design and manufacture electric motorcycles using batteries from end of life.
We launched our company about 6 months ago to develop remote control robot for use in potentially hazardous space.
We can develop these things, prototype them, and then scale them into our full-scale models. It just helps us present really effectively so they know exactly what we're designing and what they'd be putting their money towards.